I'd like to introduce you to our Artisan Breads for Beginners course. This is the course that I wish I could have taken when I was a beginner or improver. It would have saved me so much time and needless stress. Let's face it, it's so difficult to learn how to bake from a recipe. As a qualified artisan baker, I will provide clear guidance and problem-solving tips so that you can achieve a real understanding of how to bake breads full of flavour. So, what makes this course so effective? Unlike other courses, I explain the functions of the different ingredients and the science behind the process. This means that you get better results and baking becomes a more rewarding experience. In this course, you can learn in a way that suits you best. Through the 3 topics, wholemeal rolls, rustic country loaves and oat and chia bread, I make the learning and baking experience clear and convenient. Through our anytime access 4K videos, the quality of the footage will make you feel like you're in a live workshop. You will learn to develop key skills and understanding as you build upon what you have learned as you progress through the course. In just a couple of hours, you will learn how to bake beautiful artisan breads that are nutritious and full of flavour, and more importantly, you will develop baking skills for life.